Hi everyone, this is Jeremiah Wong from Frontier Precision, and today I'm going to show you how to use Google Earth to make some KML boundaries and KML line strings and export those out so we can import those into UGCS and use them to build our missions. So the first thing we're going to do is I'm going to go through and I'm going to open Google Earth Pro, and I'm going to go up here and I'm going to create a polygon. So when I create a polygon, what this does is it creates a boundary of where we want our missions to be. So when we import this into UGCS, it's going to take those boundary lines and generate our flight paths within those boundary lines. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to label this area LiDAR, and then I'm just going to click the area that I want. I'm going to click OK, and now we have a LiDAR area. And then the other one we're going to pick is we're going to go up to here where it says Add Path. So this is going to be a line string. So I'm going to put Core LiDAR. So for corridor LiDAR. So for us, when we go through, I have to actually go through and make something. Let's say we want to fly this area right here, but then we also want to get this roadway corridor right here. I'm going to click just like that to get that line string for that corridor, and I'm going to click OK. So now we both have a LiDAR area and we have a LiDAR corridor. And then we also have a folder that encompasses both of them. So what I'll do right now is I'm going to export my LiDAR. So I'm going to go Save Place As, and I'm going to save it as a KML. And I'm going to save it, well, this is my Documents folder. I'm going to do the same thing for LiDAR Corridor. I'm going to click Save Place As, and it's going to be LiDAR Corridor, and I'm going to stick that into the same Documents folder too. And the last one I'm going to do is I'm going to do the entire folder, right-click, and I'm going to do Save Place As, and I'm just going to do All LiDAR. So now when we look into our Documents folder, we're going to see three files. We're going to see the LiDAR Corridor line string KML. We're going to see an Area LiDAR KML, and then we're going to see another KML that encompasses both of them. When we import them into UGCS, we have the ability to pick and choose which one we want, or we can actually have it populate the missions automatically. So this is how we actually go through and generate the KML boundaries and line strings for corridors and export them out into a KML, so we can then go through and import them into DJI Pilot. We can import them into UGCS. We can import them to a lot of different things to generate our flight plans. Next, we're going to go through UGCS and we're going to import them in there, and I'm going to show you how to do that too. So hopefully this helps you out with the KML aspect, and I'll see you in the next video for the UGCS side of things.